Hey there! In this video, I'll walk you through an automated workflow built in n8n that turns long-form YouTube videos into viral-ready short-form content using KLAP AI and Google Sheets. Let's break it down. First, the process begins with a schedule trigger. This ensures the workflow runs automatically, for example, every morning, without manual input. Next, the workflow connects to a Google Sheet where we've listed all our YouTube long-form videos. But not just any video, we filter for rows where the production status is marked as for production. Once a video is selected, it moves to the post request step where we send this video URL to KLAP's API. We specify how we want the shorts: language, English, 2 short clips, vertical format, 1080 by 1920, duration between 15 to 60 seconds, with automatic captions, reframing, emojis, and silence removal. Then the workflow waits for 2 minutes, giving KLAP time to generate the clips. After the wait, it checks the status of the KLAP task. If the clips are not yet ready, it waits again. If they are ready, we pull the project data, including platform-specific captions for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Then we trigger an export request to get the final download link for the short-form videos. We wait again, check the export status, and once confirmed, we grab the short video link and platform-specific captions. Now comes the final step. The workflow does 2 things simultaneously. It updates the original Google Sheet, marking the video as done and tagging the production date. It logs the final short-form video URL and captions into a second Google Sheet. This one's ready for publishing teams to grab and upload directly. In under 3 minutes, this workflow turns long-form videos into polished shorts, completely hands-free. No video editing, no copy-pasting captions, no manual scheduling. Just input the long-form link, and the rest is fully automated. If you want access to the full n8n code, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
هذا اللي بنسميه اوتوميشن. تمام، بنعمل هذا الاوتوميشن سوا وهنعمل لك موظف اي اي بيتكلم مع الناس، مش انت ما بتكون البراند